So now we're gonna talk about the moving average and why this is important, because it will help us to take proper entry in those M and W pattern. So let's bring our indicators first and actually throw away all the other indicator except the moving average. So here we are actually using two moving average. You can see actually you don't need to go in those details that what point or variables we are using, because if you want more detail then go to the FXHi5 tutorial, so you can actually come to know what is what. But most of the time I use this two moving average for my entry. So as you can see, when we actually put this moving average in our chart, this chart patterns M and W are little bit more visible. And if we go to the 15-minute chart, then you can see that this moving average actually protecting you in a way before you jump to any trade setup. So you can see that a W pattern suddenly start to create one leg and then it's not creating. So this moving average mean when a W pattern really happen is what you see is like this. I mean it will come, create and come in the middle, and then it will go down again and then it will cross. So this point is a cross of the moving average, but don't actually start trading in the moving average cross section, because you must see the patterns. So in the left structure you can see a very beautiful W happen and properly this actually happen. So that doesn't mean that when you see this you will start trading from this candle, because that will not gonna help you. Okay, I will stay in this area because we got a W. So what I'm gonna do is I will do this horizontal line. If we see in real time this kind of pattern really happen and a W pattern happen in real time, we will do this kind of vertical line, and then we will go to the 5-minute, and what we will see is we want the market, I mean this happen in 15-minute, and we want to see the market should come in between this moving average, I mean in this line we see the effect, and then we see the market again pushed up this area, and then market actually start going up. So what we see, we are actually narrowing down or dissecting the W pattern in short time period. We see in 15-minute that move, that beautiful W pattern happen here. Okay, and then if we go to the 5-minute chart, we now see that this W pattern go up, then come here in between this moving average and then pushed little bit, and this horizontal line is our area that we are 100% confirmed that this W pattern gonna work. So what we gonna do is we will get our chance to get inside this candle in call, or you can say buy trade. So when we buy trade, actually in this area we can put our stop loss at least this point, something like that. But you can see that it's a very big number, what to say, I mean stop loss mean near about 40 pips, something like that. But based on your situation or currency volumes, suppose it's a GBP USD, it's a very big volume pair all the time. So when you actually take this trade in buy section, you can at least put here to actually reduce your losses, because you get your confirmation. So then from this candle you don't need to wait that much. I mean suppose see here the highest peak gone in 500 point. So 500 pip. So 500 pip mean it's a very big chunk, but we want to actually stop our trade when we achieve the 10 point or 10 pip or 100 point, something like that, in very short amount of time. In 5 minutes we stay 1 2 3, mean we have to actually stay in the trade for 15 minutes. That's it, very simple. And then again the market actually give a push, and then market want to go down little bit retracement, and then again in this area you can see the market pushed and very fast market give you 100 point. So this is the type we gonna actually follow. So that is why to take our entry, moving average is very important. And same thing I can show you in the sell way. So sell way, suppose we are in 15-minute chart, let's find a M here. Suppose see, you got a very beautiful M there, and this M is like rocket, okay. But what we can do is, if we see something like that, because M actually happened in this candle and then go up and go down, so what we cannot do is we go to 15-minute and we can see, or if we actually bring this, to get more confirmation, if we actually put this here, what you can see is it's running. We will not take our trade in this fast run, or what we say in fast push. We have to see the market should go here and dissect here, and then, but in between that you see a period separation came, so we cannot trade in this market structure. Okay, let's find another structure. So see, you are saving yourself because of the moving average, you are not taking any weird trade. Even here you see a M pattern, but it will not help you, it will help you not to take a weird trade because of this moving average. Okay, let's find this one. Okay, here is a structure, you can see, but it is so late, we are not going to trade there. But here late mean it's the market closing period, but here is a structure in 15 minutes, and what we can do is we can actually mark this area. Okay, now let's go to the 5 minute, let's find out that structure, not this one. Okay, go left. Okay, now you see simple, this M structure happen, market go upstairs, and obviously we know the barrier here. So will this structure work or not? First push come here, so that's why we are we are actually giving this horizontal line, and then market go inside. That is our structure. Market go inside, and then market start coming here. So what will be our actually trading candle setup is this one. So we take this trade, we can put our stop loss very small, and within 5 minute 15 minute maybe, see, we got our 100 point or more than that. But we will stick with the 100 or 10 pips. So that is why moving average is very important. This moving average, my setup of moving average is very important, because it will help you to take the set up very properly, precisely. And also the other thing is coming, like CV indicator and pivot point, that will also help you to understand the setup, that it's safe or not. So if you don't understand till now, please watch this video of moving average again and again to understand, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you.